I'm going to be using, So I'm going to be using my new Colourpop palette that I got in for Christmas that I'm opening now to use. If you know me, foxes are my thing. Like, I have my little fox figurine on my desk area, but these are the colors. Don't know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to like play around with it. Figure out as I go, I guess. And I also got the Stone Cold Fox brush set. So I'm excited to use all of these for the look as well today. And like normal, I will be using all of my Saint Beauty 3-Day Foundation, but I'm mostly going to be focusing on an eye look today. So excuse my face, I'm like breaking out in all different spots. It has not been a good couple of weeks for me for my skin, but before I ramble on too much, let's go. So since I don't have eyeshadow primer, I should put that on my list for what I want if I get a Sephora gift card for Christmas. So I'm just going to be using my Too Faced Prime Poreless just to put on my eyes to make it easier for my eyeshadow. I'm probably going to do, not going to lie, something that's like smoky. Don't do much other than smoky eyes nowadays. So I ended up going in with my E25 brush with Stranger just to do a base layer for my cut crease. And I just went in with the exact same E25 brush and Ghost Town to deepen up that crease, just to have a little bit more dimension for my eyes, since I do have hooded eyes. It doesn't show up all the time. And now I'm going to be going in with my E23 in Freckled Fate to go right into the outer corner in the crease to deepen up this area. Now I'm going to be going in with my Too Faced concealer in the shade Swan, and I'm going to be using the Colourpop E24. Now I saw this girl, I can't remember her name, she's on Instagram, and I saw her just dab the concealer like that and then open her eye, and then wherever that line was, that's where she did her cut crease. And guess what? Ya girl still screwed up her cut crease. Still learning, still figuring out. One day I will have a perfect cut crease, but I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. I'm gonna be using my E25, and I'm gonna be going in with Genesis Guy. I'm going to be putting that in the middle and the outer corner. And with the same brush, I'm going to be going into Mystery. Just apply that right into the inner corner. And then we're just going to take the E25 brush again in Freckled Fate to deepen up the corner and blend a bit more. I'm going to be using, I believe I used the E27 brush in Ghost Town, which is the angled brush, just to give myself a little bit of like eyeliner along my waterline on the top and the bottom. And then down here, I'm just blending together Stranger and Fickle Fate to kind of darken out my lower lash. And then later on, I'll be going in again with Ghost Town to go on to my waterline. And when you see me do what I'm doing with my waterline, please don't get freaked out. I know some people get freaked out by it, just like when they put contacts on, but I feel like it's one of my skills. Highly recommend this palette. The freckle pen I need to play around with like a lot, but love these colors. I'm going to do some swatches for you. I'm just going to swatch what I used today. The swatching video will come later on when I have a lot more time on my hands. But thank you for coming in and seeing this. I appreciate all of you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Really helps me. And I hope you enjoyed this.